inputs. Input tag. Input is a self-closing tag. The input tag is a self-closing tag. You know, yesterday I said some tags are self-closing, that is, you don't close them, but they are not much. Example of such tag is the input tag. You don't close it. This input tag is used to take information from your users. So when you run it on the browser, you can see that now you can type things there. So in case you want to collect data from your users, this is what you make use of. Do we understand it?
Yeah.
Now, I explained yesterday that tags are commands, right? They are commands. But we didn't talk about attributes yesterday. So today we're going to talk about attributes. Attributes are characteristics of tags. Or better still, attributes are description of tags. Now, I have an input here, but I didn't tell us the type of input that I want to take from my users. Is it password? Is it a color? Is it their name? What type of input am I interested in? Now, here is it. When you have a tag, yesterday we looked at this H1 tag. We didn't tell us how big we want the H1 to be. We didn't tell us how wide we want it to be. Tags helps us to configure our tag. Attributes help us to configure our tags. Right. Tags are commands, but sometimes you want to configure your tag. This one example I love to use. Let's assume I want Taye to sleep. You know, this is how I write it, Taye sleep. But I didn't tell it the position. Do I want Taye to sleep on his stomach? Do I want Taye to sleep with coverlet? I didn't mention it. So I can configure it. I can now say position, side. Oops. So what I'm saying is that Taye should sleep on his side. Do you understand it?
Yes.
So this position is an attribute. We can add as many attributes as you want. But each tag has its own attributes that you can use with it. You cannot just use any attributes with any tag. Each tag has some attributes, some characteristics that you can use with it. Of course, there's no tag called sleep. I only use this as an example, right? I can say.
Sorry to be sure. Have you started recording?
Yes, I've started.
Okay.
I want Taye to sleep with coverlet. I can say yes. That is, sleep with coverlet. So these are attributes. And this is how you write attributes. The attribute equals to the value. That is, I want the position to be side. I want coverlet to be yes. If I want the coverlet to be thick, I will say thick. If I want it to be light, I will say light. Right. So this is it. Same way also, input is a tag that has its own attribute. One of such is type. That is, what is the type of input that I'm interested in? If I want to get color from my user, I will say input type color. Now, users can select color. If I want to get password from my user, I will say input type password. Now, my users can type whatever they type now. You can see that this is now password. People outside or people looking from behind cannot see what I'm typing. Do you understand it?
Yes.
So we have a lot of input types. We have email. Now this email looks like text. It looks like text. In fact, even for now, we are not going to tell us the difference between email and text. I'll talk about that in our subsequent classes. Input, email, and text. For now, it looks like text. If you are getting email from your user, this is how you do it. You use input type email. Then, these are some of the types, right? The default type is text. That means if you do not put any type, it assumes that the type is text. If there is no type, the default is text. So, if I want my users to upload files like their profile picture, I will say input type file. So now my users can upload files. So these are the different input types. Oops. Okay. Okay. Lastly, before we land off, I will jump with my phone now so that we continue. Users do not know what to type here. For instance, I put input type text. Am I to type my first name? Am I to type my last name? I don't know, right? So you can easily put it here, first name, like this. So now this becomes more descriptive, but this is not the best way. So in our subsequent classes, we're going to look at label, tag, and form to wrap up inputs. Now, assignment. Go to facebook.com. Design this page. This is a picture, but you just put a text. This is a picture, and it's not. If I don't design it like this, it should not be fine. Since it should not even be separate like this, just put two inputs on the page. This is button. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
So you are not to design it. Don't make it fine. For now, we are not yet dealing with designs. Don't design it. This is just put a text. Don't put a picture here. We are here to deal with pictures. This is a button, or you can also say input type button. Look at it on the page. You can see we have input type submit also. Submit. You can see, right? So just design this page. Try to do it as much as you can. Not exactly, even if it's not exactly like this, right? You can use a B tag for this so that it can be bold. This input type submit should do this part. So just try to replicate this page. These are inputs. These are another input. Read on this. This is a placeholder. Read on placeholders. Read on placeholders. Then we'll do it together in our subsequent classes. Any question?
No question.